From a live web page to a structured dataset, Minexa.ai compresses days of engineering work into a few clicks or a single API call to scrape SEC document filings effortlessly. Go to the page that contains your data. Minexa reads the fully rendered DOM in your browser and automatically prepares everything for extraction. Launch Minexa. Everything starts from this single browser panel to begin your scraping process quickly and easily. Click the violet button "I'm on the right page" so Minexa can analyze the page and detect the SEC document filings list automatically. The full results set is within reach. Minexa found the pagination and will move through all pages on every run to get complete SEC filing data. Pick list mode or detail page mode for deeper per-row extraction, depending on your needs for SEC document filings. Click Continue if you can already see the full dataset. Switch to Advanced mode when the page needs an interaction to reveal the data. Confirm and proceed. Your scraper will be ready after this step, highlighting the entire container of SEC filings data ready for extraction. Every field is ready. Minexa identified key data points like filing date, document type, and description. Select what you need or click on the page to pick additional fields. Click API Request to get Python code that returns structured progress and error details so you can handle them in your own application easily. Ready for any scale. Click Complete Configuration and use this scraper for a single export or millions of pages without extra setup. Every page of results is in scope. The scraper handles navigation automatically from start to finish, including next page buttons for complete data coverage. Your scraping job is ready. Optionally connect Google Sheets, and every run will push fresh SEC filings data automatically for up-to-date insights. Run it. Output is normalized into consistent columns, even when source pages differ slightly in layout, ensuring clean SEC filings data every time. Every row in this dataset is a confirmed match. If a page looked different from what was trained, Minexa returned an error instead of mixing in wrong data. Typical fields include filing date, document type, and links to the filings, ensuring accuracy and reliability in your SEC filings extraction. Download as Excel for quick analysis, or JSON for plugging into tools and pipelines with just a click. One scraper, built once, running forever. That is what Minexa gives you for any website you want to extract data from.